Hi, this is Leah from Imagine DIY, and I just wanted to talk you through how we made this really lovely invitation with a sparkly background there and the gathered ribbon with the embellishment. The gathered ribbon is something we get asked quite a lot about, so I'll show you how we do that technique also. So all the information, the design guide, the product list is all available on our website, but this video should just help to show you how easy it is. I'm going through it a little bit slower because I want you to really understand what we're doing, but if you're making these yourself, you should be able to fly through them. So here we've got a pre-printed invitation panel, and the template is available on the website, so all you need to do is choose your font, fill it out, and then it's all ready to print. And then we've got the card panel and the glitter card at the back. So we find the high-tack double-sided tape is amazing for gluing onto glitter card because it can be quite hard to get a really good secure bond on glitter, but this is amazing. It's just strong enough. It's a little bit fiddly, just peeling the backing off, but it just works so well. We wouldn't recommend anything else really. So as you can see, I'm just putting a few lines down, peeling the backing off. This is the fiddly bit really. Yeah. Last one. And then you need to stick this onto your card backing and just make sure you've got really even borders all the way around. If you're making these as invitations, I would just add a line of double-sided tape on the inside as well, but I've just put the 3 down. So now we come to the ribbon. You need to cut a piece of ribbon just slightly longer than the invitation. Okay, so here you go. And what you need now is a glue gun, and we're just going to pop a little dab of glue from the glue gun into the centre of the gap there, put the ribbon on top and just pinch the ribbon into place. You can press it down, and as you can see, it creates a really nice gather there. So we're going to take it round to the back, line of glue there, and stick it down, and again a line of glue here also, and stick it down. So can you see what we've done there? So then we need to just trim off the excess. I've got the world's worst scissors, so bear with me. It's super helpful if you've got a really sharp scissors. I just think this one is really pretty, and thankfully because it's on the back, it doesn't particularly matter. So yeah, bit of a hack job there. So you're definitely going to want a really good scissors there. And again, we're going to use the double-sided tape. We're going to stick this down. Here. I put a little bit too much tape there, so I'm just going to rip off the excess. Again, if you're making these as invitations, which hopefully you will be, I would run a line of tape either side at the end as well before you stick it down, and just across the middle. But this really is for demonstration purposes, so you get a really good idea of how you can make these at home. On to the last one. This is the most fiddly bit, it's just getting the lines of tape off. And then again, just make sure you've got really good even borders as you stick down. If you're not very good with your eye, use a ruler. And the final step then is just to stick your embellishment on. So we're just taking a glue gun and the embellishment, and we're just running a line of glue around the outside on into the middle. You don't want to use too much because you don't want to leak in everywhere. And then we're just pressing it firmly into the centre and you've just got that great invitation. How easy was that? You can change the colours really easily, the ribbon, the embellishment, the glitter. It's so customizable and it's so easy to make, so why not give it a go?